It's red color. Red. Let me help you. It's a red. Oh, and pink color. Pink color. We're going to climb up there. Woo! Ow, and also gun as well. Hello guys, right now we are going to river and to get some frog. So I have two of my friends, my brothers, so three of us will be going, and now it's already 4 p.m. in the evening, so we will be back at maybe around 9 or 10 p.m. So yeah, we are going to enjoy. So so let me introduce them. Chừng Mây, oh sorry, Chừng Tân, Chừng Tân, and yeah, here's Mr. Toong. He took.
I'm the most hunter in this village.
He took his car as well, but both of us took our kitties. So yeah, we are going to enjoy, have fun. So I don't know how long it will take. Maybe 30 minutes. Yeah,
1 hour.
1 hour. All right. So we are going. Like it will take 1 hour just by walking, so it will be already dark when we reach the river. So yeah, just enjoy the view. So we are on our way. We are going to run because it's already going to be dark. It's already, like I said, it's already 4 p.m. So it will take 1 hour to reach to the river. So we have to run fast. Since it is hilly area, so we have to go down. Okay. Matches ayah aku tamu asing bang. We forgot to take matches. I think we are not going to burn fire. Oh, so they have made tent here. Ay. Oh, wait. It's troubles. Poor people. Can you see this? We are going down there. It will be difficult for me. See, we are going down there. Oh, already. See, I'm sweating. So they are discussing which river we should go. We still decide granite attack because we have many small rivers. Okay. Oh, so they finally decided which river we should go. River go. We are going to Yonggo River. We go Yonggo. There's a place called Yonggo, and we are going there. Finally, we reached the main road. Hello.
Hello.
Actually, normal work. If we normal work, it usually take 30 minutes. But now we took just 10 minutes to reach here because we ran, and I'm here. So this river. Oh, sorry. This road is pointing towards Naginimura. Huh? We are going to come across many waterfalls. This road leads to Naginimura.
And I lead to hunting. Just for fun. It's not as serious.
Chứ bởi mình bên nó giống tao rồi, tao mà lại bỏ, chụp đi phát tu. I think someone also gone to the river. This bike.
What's this butterfly?
Seasonal butterfly. So it's cool. Bye. So yeah, some Andy coming back from field. Vậy nhân lại nữa vậy.
Cô thấy bác kì anh nhá.
Ơi ơi.
Anh kêu.
Ngay không vậy? He is just my neighbor. Upu, sao không nó? Upu means grandfather. Oh, you sao? So this belong to him.
Carried by me.
Yeah, the bamboo, the wood, and everything. We have crossed some river, and this is another small river. See jackfruit. Here is jackfruit. So we have a lot of jackfruits in this area. Since I'm not used to with these shoes and it's paining, so I have to take off and walk by foot. A pure river. I think I have to drink river water. I'm going to put See, here's how we think. Thank you. So we have make a local fish here. So we have lots and lots of small river. So, see, do you see that place? We came from this place here. Here, very far at the top. Yeah, we came from this far. So they have already. I have to chase them. Finally, and see the. It's a beautiful view. Actually, we used to enjoy. Oh Lord. So we reached to someone field. They put pineapple here, pineapple, banana, and a lot of eatable fruits here. So see, it is such a beautiful place. Okay. 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 See, I put PDF eat it. So, see, it is scary, so we have to climb. I mean, like we have to go down there. It's very deep. See, very deep, so we have to go down.
Maybe 5 to 6,000 meters.
But it's very deep. And my leg is spanning. Okay. Oh, it's going to rain. So now we don't have road, we have to make by ourselves. See. Okay. So it's scary, we have to prepare. So yeah. It's very deep, so see, it's scary. You can see it's very dark down there. No. Oh, I'm tired. So since the road is too bad, I have to pause for some moment without camera. So I have to off. So see you later. Bye. So finally we reached to our camp. It's already dark and I want to show you my leg. What my leg? I have to. So see, it's burning, and even the another one. Very much burning. See. So he's going to burn the fire. Oh, now it's about to be 5. We took 15 minutes, almost 1 hour, because we ran a road and then I fell down twice just before and it was too deep. So he's floating his gun. I think it's going to rain. So can you hear that sound, the river sound? River is down there, deep. See, he's Fire. We stole matches from someone then, and now he's. It's dark, so you won't be able to see this, and it's scary. Since there were a lot of crush, you know, like taller than us, so see, his clothes is wet, and even mine, everything is wet. See. Hi. So I think it's going to rain. Yeah, it's going to rain now. A lot of mosquitoes as well. It's raining. So very saddened to say that it's raining, because during raining time, like, we don't usually find frogs and crabs and all, so we are afraid that we might not find any tonight. So yeah, see, it's raining. Really, they are asking me if I'm going to drink black tea, Konyak Naga. So why not, right? This is our cup made by Toang, and it is more tasty to drink from here, Pikaja bamboo cup. So this is how we usually drink, you know, like when we go to jungle. So we are going to drink tea from this. So see, here is my Pikaja. Konyak Naga. So see, it's hot, but I'm going to drink Pikaja. Very tasty. It's pure natural.
Here I'm also. When you drink black tea,
Oh, the rain stopped now.
yeah, already almost. Very tasty.
Our cameraman, eating parleji. So we have finally reached the river. One of my friends, he went with his gun for hunting. So we have our kitties, and we are going to wait down there. So see the river. Yeah. It's deep. So from now we are going to start searching for frogs. See, with those light. So we will be searching frogs here, starting from now.
Đấy, ăn đi. Nhắc lên gì? Nhắc Phương. Nghe đâu. Bên. Con. Chăm.
Finally. Oh, see the river. Oh, we have to go down here. I've got the first catch the first frog, and we just light. Okay, see. So we just light the torchlight, and we will see the eyes reflecting in the yellow color. So I get the first frog. So I have to fracture all the bones so that it won't jump by itself. So its bone has to be break. Okay. So we just put it here. So this is how we get.
Khô bên đây sao nhá. Well.
It's very big. Very big. Okay. River fall, waterfall. So we are going to climb up there. Put foot down there. Oh, we are going to climb up. Wow. See, we are going to climb up there. Woo! Oh, I don't know how am I going to climb. So let the first person begin. So he is going to climb up. And in his practice, down and also gun as well. Em trong độ băng na mình nhớ.
No. Now who is coming? It's brother now. Now who is coming? Now who is climbing? See, it is very dangerous.
Finally, I can have the climb.
You can hear.
Anh cũng không mà đây mà kẻ mà thấy ăn mừng.
So one is down right here. He has to climb. We have crossed, I think 3-4 river falls, and we have still yet to cross more than 5-6. So there is snake as well. Lấy ngay cô là. Lấy ngay cô đủ tộc. We found a snake. We found one snake. Lấy ngay độ. Here's egg as well.
Nếu không chú ở quay cái không có lời đấy nghe luôn. Ai cũng mà. Họ lang nhau.
Pink color. Pink color. The frog is pink color. Yeah.
Sang thôi, sang là.
We have got another snake. Dây bút đâu là? Dây pogu. Dây pogu. Very thin but very long. Thin but long. We got the red frog. His red color. Chalo. It's red color. red. Can you help you? See, it's red. Oh, anda. Ah, egg.
Full of egg.
He is red. Harang ba to?
Cảm ơn.
It seems the red one is much. Yes, yes. I was about to fall down. I'm safe. Praise God. We got one. So we got one part here. So we got from here. So now we are going to take rest. Now it's exactly 8 p.m. So we have got only few frogs since due to rain there was not much. So but we have still halfway to go. So we are just taking rest as of now. So we got some few frogs. We have killed a snake and also one bird. And now we are going to enjoy with this. It's raining now. It's raining heavily. You see, all wet. See, it's raining heavily.
Nào về.
We got one more snake. We got one more snake. So it's here.
Come on, let's go.
So finally we are about to reach home. Due to heavy rain we couldn't take recording and we didn't find much frogs and there was no crabs at all. So yeah, we are just about to reach home. Finally we have reached now. So we got only a few because of due to rain there was not, so it's jumping. Due to rain we couldn't find much, but yeah, dùng bà giá hô bà là crabs, we got crabs as well. So yeah, only few. Thank you. So finally,
Hello. Reach just now.
so it's exactly 9:50, almost tiền.
Yang xin cho pan yêu.